Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the general introduction of the poultry farming. Actually, in generally, we termed it as poultry means rearing of the chicks only. But actually, poultry means rearing of the not only chickens, ducks, quails, geese, turkey, guinea fowl, peasant, etc. So among all these birds, Gallus domesticus, it means rearing of the chick is very important. So majorly in India, Gallus domesticus is rearing commercially. So yeah, a organized effort in India has started in from the 1957. What is this organized effort? So government come forward to give incentives to the poultry industry. Why? Because for the developing population, government have aim to provide a good nutrient food to the citizens of the India. So in this step, government had established regional poultry farms in Bangalore, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, Delhi, and Simla cities. So here you observe the image of the quail and also guinea fowl. So in villages, farmers are rearing in their habitats and also turkey fowl. These also we had seen. So duck and also goose. Generally, we had observed these images. So National Egg Coordination Committee. It is a big cooperative society for the belongs to the poultry farmer. More than 25,000 poultry farmers are there in this association. Generally, it is termed it as NEC. These have crucial role in the determining of the price of the egg and also chicken. These are promoting the in the people to of eating of the egg and also chicken. So particularly for developing of the poultry industry, government need to promote in the form of given below points. So particularly need to develop a more productive strains in the layer and also boiler. So more productive strain means actually in 1957, actually the weight of the maximum weight of the poultry bird is only less than the 1 kilo. So in 1970s, it is increased to the 2 kgs, nearly 2 kgs. And also at present level, maximum weight is 4 kgs. Average weight is 2 to 2 to 2.5 kgs. So this weight is also attained in very short period, 35 days. So when it is developed in short period, there is it is economy. It is what is called saving of the cost on the feed, and also need to develop the vaccines. So when vaccines is developed, it the eatability, it generates the immunity. So with this eatability is also increased. So need to finance the to the poultry farms in the affordable interest rates and also maximum one. So and also give free hand to determine the price of the egg and also meat to the farmers who are producers. And also what is the scope and also what is the what is called chance is there. So actually for establishing poultry industry, actually chicken is a traditionally in India people are taking as a food material. So and also India is a third largest producer of the eggs in India, and also Andhra Pradesh is also leading one in producing the broiler production. And also here productivity, genetically capability, genetically potentiality is also at present is more. Actually country chickens are able to produce 60 to 80 eggs only, but commercial layers have ability to produce 310 eggs per year. So it is very what is called eatability, good eatability. Also, present day boilers can attain 1.8 to 2 kgs mean body weight just 5 weeks, 35 days. So there is less constraint in providing the feed. And also annual there is vacuum is also there. Why? Because actually per capita availability of egg is 45 eggs per human being in India, and also only 2.4 kg per year. So actually, World Health Organization is suggests per a human being per annum to take 180 eggs and also 9.5 kg to take 9.5 kg poultry meat. So poultry meat is very healthy for the cardiovascular disease also. Why? Because it is a white meat. So when it is red meat, it is harmful to them. So it is very healthy diet. So, and also various factors is also there for developing highly prolific nature. Why? Because chick lays 250 chicks in a year. So that's why the more progeny is developed easily. And also short generation, 72 weeks after that. So only 72 weeks, and also it is suitable to our temperature condition. So it is able to grow in 0 to 40 degrees Celsius temperature. Also less capital, and also availability of the quality chick breeds. So it is in very less price, and also trained manpower is also available. So these trained manpower in lesser lesser salaries in India. So it is also one additional uh, booster for developing of the poultry industry in India. So banks also providing loan easily in priority sector, so with less interest. And also egg have very balanced amino acid profile. And also in chicken high dressing percentage is also there. Dressing percentage means, so when it is a live one turned to as meat, if it is a one case bird is there, so we can get 720 to 750 grams. Why? Because remaining feathers, legs, so head like that, when we cut it, so we get minimum 720 to 750 grams for chick. But when contrast sheep and goat, it is also traditional one. So per case, just we get maximum 480 grams only. So we can last what is called legs, and also skin, horns like that. There is loss is there. So very less what is called dressing percentage in the goat.